Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotating animation tutorial on Capcut PC. So it's very simple. For example, I will add one photo to clip and then I will choose three photo as overlay. Okay. Again, just for duration like this. So how to add a rotating animation? Just click a clip that you want to add animation, and then you can click animation here and click this rotate animation like this, and you can just for duration you can swipe to the left for faster or swipe to the right for slower like this. So you can add the same for other clips. So this is the result like this. Okay, that's how to rotating animation tutorial on Capcut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.